Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So for today's video I thought I would share with you like my favourite hair care products at the minute, because like it takes me ages to actually find like hair care products that I like, but now I feel like I've got a decent set of things that I like, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys the hair care products that I'm loving at the minute. So let's go. I had these like cute little shelves put up and I put like all of my hair care products that I use like on a daily up here. And yeah, I've had to stack them on very much, like they're literally on the edge, look, because I have so many. So first up, I've got my Aussie Blonde 3 for 2. I just wanted to show you like the packaging, like I just think it looks really nice and really cool. But this hair care products are perfect for blonde hair. Can we just take a moment to look at how grown out my nails are? Disgusting. This one's literally snapped as well. I don't know if you can see that, but it's literally snapped. I don't have any of the stuff to like soak them off, and I've tried pulling them off and paint, so they are literally not budging and they look disgraceful. Okay, so I'm talking about this Aussie hair care because it's purple shampoo, which is great for a blonde girl like me. And I just feel like I've been using this like for like 3 weeks now. I got it for Christmas. When was Christmas? 3 weeks ago. And I've got the conditioner, which I've barely got any left. Like compared to the shampoo, I'm gonna have to buy a new conditioner. That's not even a conditioner, that is the deep treatment. Actually no, I've got more conditioner left than I thought. I just feel that the blonde like the whole blonde thing, like it's really kept my colour like looking fresh. And like when you can see up here, like I get my hair like balayaged, and I just feel like my colour up here is so fresh. Like I feel like it just made my hair like a really nice shade of blonde, and it's really just keeping my blonde from like going brassy. I think this is probably like one of the best purple shampoos I've used. Like they always have like a 3 for 2 on at Boots, so like you can get like the shampoo and conditioner, and then like one other thing as well. I got the deep treatment for blonde hair, and I just feel like this actually makes my hair feel so soft and silky. Like it just kind of repairs your hair. Like, do you mind? Do you mind? Thank you. So the next one I want to talk about is also an Aussie product. You will know if you are blonde that bleaching your hair literally makes it so cotty and knotty when it comes out of the shower. So like when I first got my hair done, like when it's fresh bleach, like you literally scraping through your hair so badly. So I actually bought like a conditioning spray. This is from Aussie as well. I think I got this in a 3 for 2. Again, this smells insane. All the Aussie products smell so good. They make your hair smell so nice, and this helps so much. Flip my head over and I'll just literally spray this like all spray. I'll literally just like spray this like all over my hair, and then it's so much easier to brush through, and like it doesn't hurt as much, and it doesn't make your hair like when you've got a lot of knots, it makes your hair snap, and obviously that's not good. Like when you've got bleached hair, like you expect it to snap, but you don't want to be doing anything to make it snap even more. So by putting this in really helps. This is my lovely little kitty. Her name's Stella, and she's got a beautiful little bow. Ooh, look at this. Oh, she's having scratchies. Look at this little bow. She's very, very pretty girl. She's my baby. Look at that face. Look at that beautiful face. Belly rubs. Okay, but how have I not noticed this? What is that? I think I need to stick that back on. The next product is an absolute lifesaver of mine. This is the After Party Smoothing Cream for silky shiny healthy looking hair. Like, you know when you've done your hair, it's the second day, the hair's looking a bit frizzy. Like today, like got a little bit of frizz over here, but I thought I'd leave that so I could demonstrate this product for you. So basically, it's just like a little cream, and it smells really good. You just rub it between your hands, and like let me show you, like this bit of my hair is a little bit frizzy, isn't it? And you literally just run it over it, and there you go. It smooths it out really nicely. This is like 3rd day hair. I didn't. That's so bad, isn't it? And it does tend to get a little bit frizzy. So throughout the day, like I just take this with me, like wherever I'm going, like to work or something, and I just smooth this on my hair when it's getting frizzy, and it just takes down the frizz and makes it look like quite shiny and silky again, and I really like that. But the next one that I want to talk about is this VO5 Tropical Paradise hair perfume. This smells so good. So you know, like what, after you've used heat on your hair, even if you do use heat protectant, sometimes your hair smells like a little bit burnt, and I hate that smell so much. So I always spray this, and it makes your hair smell so good. Also, like I'm gonna spray some in now, and you know, like when you do like a cheeky little hair flip, you get the smell of it, like it literally stays in your hair. It really sticks in your hair really well. So I really like that. It just smells so good, and it just makes your hair smell really good. And I mean, who doesn't want good smelling hair? And last but not least, I've got this Ghd Cowhold Spray. I actually permanently borrowed this one from my mum, but I mean, it was lying around on her desk and she didn't ever use it, and it's actually so good. Okay, so like I sprayed this in before I curl my hair, and it really helps to keep the curls like in my hair looking good as well. And I did this before I French plaited my hair on Monday. It is now Thursday. I took the French plaits out on Tuesday, so they were out for the whole of Tuesday, the whole of Wednesday, and it's now Thursday. And I mean, this is how they're looking. I've re-crimped, I'll admit that I've re-crimped these front bits, but the rest of it, all of this, I have not re-crimped, and it's still held so well. Like it's held a lot better than it usually does, and that's because I actually used it in this. I thought, you know what, I'm going to use it for like these little waves as well, and it's worked so well. So I'd definitely recommend getting this if you're trying to, like, if you style your hair a lot and if you like curl your hair a lot. This really helps to keep your curls in place. So I hope that you enjoyed that video. I just wanted to share with you like the hair care products that I've been loving at the minute. I did like a makeup one that I've been loving, so I just thought I'm going to do a hair care one as well. So I hope that you enjoyed that video. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you, what's this bit of hair doing? And I will see you in my next video.